Bullish FTT value forecast is $32.50 to $53.33. FTX token, FTT, cost could likewise reach $55 soon. Bearish FTT cost expectation for 2022 is $22.47. In FTX token, FTT, cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other data about FTT to dissect the future development of the cryptographic money. FTX token, FTT, current market status. The cost of FTX token, FTT, is $27.23 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $49,139,717 at the hour of composing. In any case, FTT has expanded almost 1.4% as of now. What is FTX token, FTT? FTX token, FTT, is the local utility token FTX, concentrated trade, CEX. This conspicuous crypto trade was established by Sam Bankman-Fried and Gary Wang. FTT was at first sent off as an ERC20 token in May 2019. The trade token is viable with Ethereum, Binance Savvy Chain, BSC, and Solana blockchain. FTX token, FTT, is a deflationary token. That is, its stockpile will lessen with time, and in the end, the rising interest will climb its worth on the lookout. FTT is used as the exchanging expenses on the trade and clients can procure prizes on marking it. FTX token, FTT, value forecast 2022. The above diagram of FTX token, FTT, spread out a plunging channel otherwise called the falling channel. A diving channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the trait of a negative market. Right now, FTX token, FTT, is in the scope of $27.34. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of FTT could arrive at the opposition levels of $27.96, $30.05 and $32.42. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of FTT might tumble to $26.44 and $25.06. FTX token, FTT, backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of FTX token, FTT. The graphs show that FTX token, FTT, has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, FTT could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $53.33. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of FTX token, FTT, could dive to nearly $22.47, a negative sign. FTX token, FTT, value expectation 2022, Rival, Mama, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of FTX token, FTT, is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of FTT lies beneath the end line, demonstrating more fragile members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, Mama, of FTX token, FTT, is displayed in the diagram above. At present, FTT is in a bullish state. Outstandingly, FTX token, FTT, cost lies over 50 Mama, present moment, so it is totally in an upswing. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of FTT whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength record, RSI, of the FTT is 50.43. This implies that FTX token, FTT, is in an almost overbought state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of FTT might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. FTX token, FTT, value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list, ADX, of FTX token, FTT. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of FTX token, FTT. At present, ADX of FTT lies in the scope of 17.17, so it shows a feeble pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the general instability file, RVI, of FTX token, FTT. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of FTT lies over 50, showing high instability. Truth be told, the RSI of FTX token, FTT, is 50.43, subsequently affirming a potential sell signal. From the above outline, we can decipher that the pattern of FTT is like that of BTC and ETH. At the point when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of FTT increments or diminishes individually. FTX token, FTT, value forecast 2023. On the off chance that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, FTX token, FTT, could presumably achieve $65 by 2023. FTX token, FTT, value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, FTX token, FTT, could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, FTT could revitalize to hit $75 by 2024. FTX token, FTT, value forecast 2025. If FTX token, FTT, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, FTT would mobilize to hit $85. FTX token, FTT, value forecast 2026. On the off chance that FTX token, FTT, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, FTT would energize to hit $95. FTX token, FTT, value expectation 2027. On the off chance that FTX token, FTT, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, FTT would revitalize to hit $105. FTX token, FTT, value forecast 2028. If FTX token, FTT, holds up serious